coming to you guys with a sloppy Joe and potato chip mukbang. This is, I think it's hot barbecue chips. And I have some orange soda to drink. So these are homemade. I make the sauce myself. I haven't tasted it. I didn't even taste it when I was cooking it. So I hope it's good. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to do my videos because the app that I've been using, they won't even let me use the regular, what is it, 750 pixels or whatever. They only let me use the 450 pixel now. I think that's what it is. And no. What's wrong? Come here. Yeah, they only let me use the 450 pixels. So it's like almost not even worth using the app anymore if it's not going to be good quality, you know? So if y'all have any suggestions on free video makers for on your phone, comment down at the bottom. She's fussy. She's got a cold. She's been having fever. Make sure she ain't got one now. No. She got a cold. She's been having fever, and she just got the flu shot. So. Yeah, so she's been a little bit fussy. Winter Pooh is taking a nap. Let's get into the sloppy Joseph. That's what they said on Superstar. She said, "You want a half of my sloppy Joseph?" Hold on. No. Go get some cover. Go get the cover. Get the cover right there. Come on. I think I made it a little bit too sweet. I think I put way too much brown sugar in here. Like, for real. Maybe add some more tomato sauce. Other than that, maybe I could have toasted the bread some more. Even though it's pretty toasty, it's still falling apart. And don't get me wrong, I know it's supposed to be sloppy. Yeah. Oh yeah. I add a little bit of cheese to it. Oh, that's on me. Now, what I think I'm gonna do Just leave the rest for my daughter because I know she's not gonna eat it. And I think the baby gonna eat it, so I'm gonna leave it for my oldest. Wait. Okay. I don't know. Maybe she want to take it for lunch. I'm about to say she can take it. She can eat after school, but she's not gonna eat it after school because she got her after school program today, and they give her a snack there. She get 2 snacks. She get a snack when she get there, like I don't know, different stuff. She ain't been telling me what she had. The last time she told me it has some beans and a hot dog or corn dog or something like that. With some graham crackers and a milk, and whenever she leave, they'll give them a snack. Sometimes it's healthy, sometimes it's not so healthy. Yesterday was cheese and apples and milk, and one day it was granola and graham crackers and milk, and then another time it was powdered donuts. And I know because every time I go in there, my daughter, this one sees it, Imani, and she goes and grab it. And then they let her get it, so when I pick up, she gets a snack too. Now, I noticed about my oldest Sadie, whenever she got the donuts too, and Imani ate hers, but Sadie's is still on top of the microwave right now. When she gets sweet stuff, she'll want it, but then she won't eat it like straight off, ever. Unless it's candy or soda. Those certain things she'll eat straight off. But like cookies and stuff, no. And that cupcake there one time. But I'm trying to figure out what she should get for Christmas this year because she's 10. She still kind of play with Barbies, but she don't. Like, I didn't see her play with them in probably a couple months. Like, she'll play sometimes with Imani. But other than that, she keeps saying she wants LOLs, but every time she gets LOLs, she ends up with it. I think she just like the surprise of opening them, and that's it. She never plays with them after that. She does. Excuse me. So getting her that is like getting a present for her and her. But she claims she wants it. No, she don't want a bike because she got one for her birthday. My aunt got it for her birthday, but she got one. And she girly girl, so probably just get her some girly stuff. Maybe some more hair bows and ribbons. And I ain't getting no dang JoJo bow because those just cost too much. Like, for real. In fact, I'm gonna see if I can make my own bow. Can't be that hard. I don't know if two's gonna be from what from what.
It's time for the Dracula bang. Let your arms go hang. Bear your spooky fang along with the undead gang. It's time for the Dracula bang.
I'm probably put her to sleep in a minute. Which is funny because she never goes to sleep. But she don't feel so good, so she might go take a nap. But What am I thinking?
Let your bodies move. Shiver and shake to prove the zombies will approve. Do you hear the pumpkin groove? Let your
Excuse me. What am I thinking?
shiver and shake to prove the zombies will approve.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to put her to sleep. Cause like I said, I think that she will fall asleep because she don't feel so good. And she just got that shot. And tonight for dinner, that's what I was about to say. I was thinking about sloppy joes, but I was like, I don't got enough hamburger buns for everybody.
Get in the werewolf mash. Your teeth go nash, nash, nash. It's gonna be such
That's why I said maybe a snack for her, but she'll love to take it to lunch.
your teeth go nash, nash, nash. It's gonna be such a smash.
Yeah.
Catch like a wild hot flash.
Let's dance to the Halloween beat. Stomp all your naughty feet.
Ooh, this one falling apart more than the other one.
Trick or treat.
Alright.
Dance to the Halloween beat. Stomp all your naughty feet. Up and down the Halloween street. Doing the trick or treat.
That was the
My heart after.
dance.
Tonight we're going to have soup. My husband requested it. So, I got the chicken sitting in the sink right now.
I see it.
Um,
Oh no. I see a ghost.
why you pushing your man?
Ghost.
We still got some more hamburger meat left. Because I didn't cook all of it because I know I'm going to cook a lot. But
I see a zombie.
I'm thinking that
I see a zombie. Look out. I see a zombie.
I'm going to take some macaroni and cheese. And add the ground beef to it, make kind of a beefaroni.
I see a vampire. I see a vampire.
But at the same time, I don't want to try too hard because she ain't really been eating all that much and she's been kind of picky about it. So
I see a witch. Oh no. I see a witch.
now, I didn't make a video yesterday.
I see a witch.
I had put one out, but I didn't make that day. I didn't even put one out because my hair was just horrible looking. I'm sorry. I don't feel like my hair looked kind of okay, then I don't want to.
I see a skeleton. Oh no. I see a skeleton. Hi. I see a skeleton.
Ooh. I like my plate's crooked. Is my camera crooked? This is my plate. I don't know. Because this time I'm using my computer stand. I thought it would look like. Like it fits, I would say if you got like a day bed or a twin bed that don't sit too high, it fits right up in there. And it fits underneath the couch, which works perfectly since we don't have a dining room table. Don't want one in here because Winter's starting to try to walk and don't want her in her head. So there's no dining room table in here, so use this that I put in the corner whenever I want to use my computer or eat something like I'm doing right now. I use that, or sometimes I just actually use my TV. What is it? TV tray. My TV tray. I think I should only make one because this is a lot. I can taste that little bit of cheese I put on there. Like, I'm not sure if I should continue to shoot my videos here or let's do somewhere else. I've been so comfortable doing it right here, though. I know, like, I know I kind of eat with my mouth open a little bit, but I know if I'm having my mouth open big time, I like to try to cover. It's a habit. Oh no! Oh my gosh, let me stop. I have to catch myself sometime because Sadie will be like, Mama, I need something to snack on. I'm like, you don't need nothing to snack on. You ask me for a snack. Like, I don't know. I don't like her saying that. I want her to say, snack. I want her to, I don't know what I'm trying to say right here. But I try to, I want her to speak better than me. I want her to speak. Oh. I just want for my daughter to be able to speak good, proper English. And I'm not saying that that's bad English, but to me, when she said I want something to snack on, it sounds like she want to gnaw on a bone or something, and I'm just crazy for thinking that, but that's what it sounds like to me. Even though I know that's not what she mean, and then I have to stop her because some of the stuff that she says, next thing you know, I'm saying it, and that's not what I want to say. And then sometimes when she starts talking in the way that she act, I'd be like, damn. She kind of act like me. And I think sometimes I put it off and I try to ignore it, but certain things that she do, I just cannot ignore. And I'm like, wow, she kind of acts like me. Like, I guess for me, because my daughter, people will say, oh, she looks just like you. But that's because they haven't seen her nana or dad. And she really takes off from that side of the family, kind of in the look area. For my sake, mostly my girls look like their dad. Figure maybe if I have a boy, maybe he'll look like me. Maybe. I don't know. Be nice for one of my kids to actually favor me. Oh. I'm going to look a lot like her dad. Would you look a lot like her? I don't know. Or her abuela. They only have like little hints of me that you can see. That's part of me. I'm looking at my ears. I wanted to do. They kind of got my ears because they got their daddy ears, but my sister say our ears kind of pointy like elves. So, like, try to see. But, you know what? Kind of like the video. to be like, how is you guys' day? I'm sorry. I was so inconsiderate. I'm just going straight off, rambling, talking. I didn't ask you how your guys' day was and how you doing. But yeah, I know it's a little bit early to be thinking about Christmas. Actually, it's not too early to be thinking about Christmas. But on that note, switching around because it's October, what are you guys are planning on dressing kids up for Halloween? Sadie's gonna be with her dad, but if she wasn't, she was gonna be a 80s tween teen. I had this colorful skirt. She's gonna wear her black tights. She's gonna wear some sort of. She had a pair of tennis shoes that would have went great, but she can't fit those no more. Damn. But she can wear her high tops. The high tops would be great because, you know, that's universal. High tops been out for a while, you know, Converse been out for a very long time, so those would be great. And I wanted to find like a colorful headband, you know, like a ponytail holder with the little things coming out, or else an old scrunchie, and do her a high ponytail, and then do her some colorful makeup. That's what I was thinking about for her. Mine, she's gonna wear Sadie's old costume. She's gonna be Dorothy. Oh crap! From the Wizard of Oz. Excuse me. Winter Pooh. She has a shirt that I bought last year that just said trick or treat. Just gonna put that on her with some pants. I want to really dress her up because Imani is super excited about Halloween this year. She already got like 2-3 buckets. She missed it last year because she fell asleep. This year, she can stay up for a while, so we're gonna be good. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment at the bottom and share my videos and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. I seem like everybody got theme songs, and I said this in the video before, but I don't know if I should do a theme song. I'm gonna keep it like that. Didn't know. Eating treats with Eugenia. Bye.